Hi everyone, welcome to Fairfield's Pillow Party 2019 with the Hedgehog Hollow and
Laura Kelly Designs. We're so glad you're here. We have 25 different designers with blogs sharing pillows in our party.
We do, and we also have a $100 gift card giveaway with lots of ways that you can be involved. So go check out the information below. And
be sure to follow along. You can find all the pillows using the hashtag FFW for Fairfield World Pillow Party 2019.
Yes, you can. You can check out at the Hedgehog Hollow and at Laura Kelly Designs. You can check out both of our blogs for how to enter, all of the inspiration, and of course you can also check us out on Pinterest.
And we'd just like to say thank you to Fairfield World for being our sponsor for this amazing party. It's been a blast, and we're so excited to share with you.
Thank you so much, and happy crafting.
Happy crafting.
Bye.
Bye.